You ever have an old fashioned, John?
No, Vince. I've never had an old fashioned.
You want to make an old fashioned with an $80 bottle of whiskey?
I think we should give it a try, Vince.
You want to make an old fashioned with an $80 bottle of whiskey?
Send it. I'm not quite sure what that intro was,
Well,
but leave it spirit here.
Well, this is the quintessential
Apparently.
rye whiskey. Rye whiskey is what you drink in an old fashioned. You know why?
Why?
Because that's what I like to drink in an old fashioned.
Apparently, that's the rule.
And that's yeah. It's not the rule. It's my rule. Whatever.
It's the rule. So, Vince, tell me a little bit about what is in an old fashioned. What is the history of old fashioned? Why is it called an old fashioned? Send me some information, Vincent.
The old fashioned is basically the first cocktail. Late 1800s. America drank rye whiskey.
Apparently.
Whiskey was very young, very bad. Gin.
Drinking rubbing alcohol.
Yeah, you're drinking bad stuff.
Ooh.
So you wanted to dress it up a little bit. When the Roaring '20s hit, cocktails became really big. After Prohibition, as time went by, people would go, give me
that old fashioned.
You drank the old fashioned way.
Ah.
Give me that old fashioned cocktail.
Got it.
So that's why this became the old fashioned. It's very easy. Angostura bitters, or whatever bitters you like. Bitters are really blowing up all over the world, man. I go three. What did I say? 3 dashes.
You were like bam, bam, bam.
I think 3 dashes of bitters. Simple syrup, easy to make. Take a pot. Take 1 cup of water.
1.
And 1 cup of sugar. Boil it. And you have simple syrup. Put it in the fridge. Lasts for a year.
Now what, Vince?
A little bit of ice. I got a bad shoulder, man. Can you put some ice in these?
I can try my best. I'm gonna sneak around this way, though. How much, Vince?
The equal amount.
Well, that did
way too much.
Way too much.
That's all right. Do the same amount on the other side. No, don't do that.
No.
All right. Do the same amount.
I'm so sorry.
You're cool. I would say, is that equal? That's
It's a damn struggle. Ever since we fired Jimmy, it's straight downhill. He's got a rotator cuff thing happen now.
So we're gonna put. We're just gonna store it out. An 1.5 ounces of rye. You can use bourbon. You can use Canadian. Whatever your thing is. You just gotta dump it.
This is the best day ever.
This is.
This has gone sideways quicker than you could blink.
So you give it a little stir.
And that's it.
No, that is not it.
There's more.
You just take a lemon, a peeler.
Do you need some help?
Potato peeler? No, it's all right. Just take a peeler and peel off a little peel.
You kind of look like you know what you're doing now.
Almost.
Oh, did you do a little twist?
And then you take it and you bend it like this and give it a little squirt all over the whole thing.
Oh, get a little of the oils
rub it on the top.
All right.
All that oil. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. And do the other one the same way. We should have just made one, I guess.
There's the thought.
Because the video is not about making 2. A little bit of spray. All that oils. Mix it up a little bit. And that's an old fashioned. Wham, bam, thank you, man. Nice and easy. Nice and quick.
Could smell that lemon, though.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Right? All right, so what's the... should I ask for an expectation on a taste profile?
No, you taste it, man. Just taste it.
Okay.
You like it? Better?
I know it's 2 totally different videos, And hopefully there's a way you can work this in. But man, does it pair nice with this now.
So that's your old fashioned. Wham bam. $75, man.
Yeah,
I've made this with cheaper rye. It's just as good.
I'm liking it.
It's my favorite. It's my favorite mixed drink. Leaf and Spirit. Like and subscribe, or hit the bell. I don't know what you do, just to help us out.
Look,
and
bottom line
like
is
it.
this.
Just to subscribe and hit the bell. The
What a
bell's
wonderful
big.
beverage.
Can you put that? My shoulder's really.
Are you gonna make it?